Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop, and as you saw from the title, today's a sticker board update, and I've got 3 stickers to show you today from two of the channels are in the US and one here in the UK. So we'll start off with James. So we've got I can't put the sticker up, so we've got James here, JamesP, the shed shop, and James is really pretty new to YouTube, and he's currently got 40 subscribers, and he's got 16 videos. So he's learning. Not only is he sort of setting up his workshop, he's also learning sort of how to make videos, and I believe he's got his son helping out a little bit now. James has got a Unimat SL, and I think that's how he sort of crossed paths. You know, he's just keen to get involved with the whole community, and so you know, some of us, you know, myself really, you know, have benefited from everyone's help and everything over the time I've been on YouTube. So you know, it would be really great if you could nip over to see James and you know, give him some support. So as always, all the links to these channels will be in the video description. Okay, so that's James. So thanks for that, James. So we'll put that on the board shortly. So now let's go there. So we've got Bill's Workbench. Let me just wake up the GoPro. So there's Bill's sticker. That's a pretty cool sticker. Now Bill's in the US again, and he's, what have we got, 504 subscribers. So Bill does, Bill's another Unimat SL chap, and he's got some videos on some maintenance tasks, and some of the things, you know, I've learned stuff from watching them, so it's definitely nice to see, you know, we can all learn from watching each other's videos. Bill's also very keen on repairing old sort of like model cars and such like, and so and they're very interested in how he does that, and just sort of generally restores them. So yeah, definitely one to go and check out. So that's another one. So that's Bill. Yeah, thanks Bill for that, and apologies, that's been with me for, these stickers have been with me for a little while. I think the last update was August. Right, so number 3, so let's bring up here, is Paul Hopewell. So Paul is here in the UK. Now Paul's, let's have a look, what's he got? 13 or nearly 14,000 subscribers. Now Paul's just done a restoration on a South Bend lathe, and it's been, you know, fabulous tagging along with it. Paul's got a you know, clearly he's a very capable engineer, and he's got a very nice way of presenting his videos. You know, I must admit, I wish I could do something in a similar vein. Now I've watched Paul for a long time, you know, before I was making videos myself. Yeah, he really does come up with some good ideas. So I'm not sure how many videos he's got, but he's got an awful lot there. And to be truthful, if you watch my channel, you probably already watched Paul anyway. So yeah, so it's the Shed Dweller is Paul's channel's name, and yeah, that's is very good, Paul is. So definitely go over and check him out. Just get, I think I've just said this, but Paul thinks about things in slightly different ways, and sometimes his solutions you think, oh, I would have never come up with that. So yeah, definitely check Paul out, and thanks for that, Paul. So what I'll do, as we normally do, I'll go and add them to the sticker boards, and then I'll bring you back then, and then we'll just do a bit of a final look at all the stickers on the boards. Well, there's 2 boards now, so you can just have a quick look at those. And all the stickers are in all these sticker updates are in a playlist, so you're quite welcome to go over there. I'm not sure how many stickers I've got now, but it's an awful lot from all around the world. And if you just found me and you want to look at some other guys, definitely check out these sticker updates, because it gives you links to lots of very good channels. All right, so I'll be back in a minute. Hi everyone, so we're back now. I've got the new stickers on the sticker board, and as you can see, I've actually got them on the wall, the frames with those stickers. So that's sticker board number 1. So many of you have seen all that before. Lots of good channels there. If we move over, here's sticker board number 2. Ooh, crashing around. Let's move that light, maybe make it a bit better. And what we've got, James, Paul and Bill's stickers on there now. So that one's full up now. So I have purchased another frame, and we've got a bit of wall space here, so we're fitted up there. So yeah, so as always, many thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.